Instead of tossing my denim scraps, I transformed them into a wrap skirt with some Shibori dye at the end. Also check out the ice dye results at the end. I still had some denim scraps from my last project left, and I didn't want to throw it away, so I decided to do something very easy. And I think a wrap skirt is the easiest thing to do, where you just put the scraps together in like one big strip. In order to secure the wrap skirt, I decided to make a drawstring that you can tie up on the side. So I just made drawstrings out of other denim scraps. Something I've been wanting to try out is Shibori bleach dye, and I thought this could look interesting on a denim skirt. So first thing, I'm just tying really tight knots with a rubber band, and also keep it scattered because I'm not sure how much the bleach is gonna bleed out. I'm using a spray to spray the knots. This way I can be more precise. It turned out alright. Some spots are more visible than others. I think it's depending on the denim material and how it has been dyed, but it's okay. It gives a little bit of variety. While I was waiting for the skirt to get washed and get dried, I also tried in parallel the ice dye. Ice gravity dye actually, and I'm using the Procion jet black pigment on the white shirt. Do you like my microphone rig? For the pink shirt, I'm using also like a pink shade and then mix it with the black. So eventually it will bleed in and also blend in with the pink original color. That's what I'm hoping. I really like the vibrancy already on these shirts. Let's give it a rinse. Oh man, that's so messy. Ultimately, it didn't turn out as I have hoped. It's okay. You don't learn without failing. Thanks for watching, guys.